we getting ready to go? We've got to go. Yeah? Well, okay. Are we ready? So, 2021, where did it go? It's been a year of everything from lockdown to Freedom Day and everything in between. However, our amazing team at McCarthy have stopped at nothing to achieve great things, and we've been gifted with lots of opportunities to work with great candidates and clients to deliver on more fronts than ever before. So, it's time to climb aboard and buckle up tight for a whistle-stop tour of our McCarthy year. So first of all, it wouldn't be McCarthy without our team, and this year we've celebrated over 90 years of Long Service Awards. A huge thank you to the team for your continued loyal support and dedication in everything you do. So talking about the team, we've got eight new Santa's helpers in our workshop this year, some great additions to the McCarthy family, and already doing a fantastic job in delivering great candidates for our clients. This year at McCarthy Towers, we've celebrated 12 amazing Employees of the Month. And we've been able to get out and have some legendary McCarthy team building fun. So it's also been hugely rewarding this year to get back to supporting our clients in opening new branches from Exeter to Stratford-upon-Avon and Manchester to Ballymahon. I'll give you all a special wave as I'm going over tonight, but well done to all the teams across these branches for doing an amazing job in getting your doors open and trading really well. So this year we've won another award for the trophy shelf, this time for our 15 years of consistent delivery of great candidate service and support through our website. Our proudest achievements this year have been through supporting so many existing and new clients across so many sectors through our consultancy work. The subject matters have been endless this year, including defining vision and values, redesigning entire recruitment processes, creating new assessment guides, improving candidate attraction, setting direction on employer brand, and also advising on new recruitment technologies. However, the biggest impact this year has been our work on unconscious bias, and we've helped now over 20 clients to challenge themselves to recruit difference to their businesses. To those who have entrusted us with this work, thank you. It's been a pleasure supporting you all through the change and helping to add value to the here and now, and also to no doubt your future business successes. I couldn't finish our sleigh ride through 2021 without a special thanks to our client, Strictly contestant, dragon and all-round amazing person to work with, Sarah Davies, who wowed us earlier this year with these words.
Hi, I'm Sarah Davies from Crafters Companion, and I just wanted to share a little bit of an insight into our experiences with McCarthy Recruitment. Now, we partnered with the guys at McCarthy many years ago. Honestly, they felt like an extension of our brand. They're honest, they give us insights to help shape what we need and then make sure that we find the best talent in the marketplace. Whatever our needs have been, McCarthy have always delivered.
So before I get back to McCarthy Towers, I'd just like to say a huge thank you to everybody in our team for making coming to work so much fun. You're an amazing group of people and I'm proud of everything that you have delivered this year. Thank you also to all our amazing clients who trust us with not just filling roles, but entrust us with their brand. We're always humbled when you take on board our advice and love to see the impact that our consultancy has on your business. And thank you also to all of our candidates for giving us the opportunity to work with you and support you through your career steps and for the amazing feedback that you're always giving to the team. And finally, whilst I try and land this thing, I'll hand over to our very own Mrs. Kate McCarthy-Claus, more often than not seen on your BBC breakfast screens or bringing recruitment insights over the airwaves on BBC Radio 5 Live for her special Christmas message.
Hi everybody, just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you have an amazing festive period. But also I wanted to say to everybody who supported us this year, thank you. So that's candidates, clients, friends, family, and our team, our family back at work. You've all been amazing this year, so thank you very much. And especially to my leadership team who have been amazing and supportive of me personally, but you've really smashed it out of the park this year. You've worked really hard, you've really lived the McCarthy values, as has the whole team, and I'm super proud of you, so thank you very much. I also wanted to quickly say, Ian, can you be really super careful landing that thing, because we know what happened last time. So can everyone cross fingers for Ian, because I'm a little bit worried.
I'll do my best, Kate! I think I might have already lost control!